MHC Kenworth, Denver, Colorado. The world's best in new and used trucks. Here's a look at a chromed up 2019 Kenworth T680 for sale at MHC Denver. A 455 horsepower, 12-speed auto, 76-inch raised roof double bunk. This is a super clean truck. This truck sits at 463,000 on the miles. You've got 12K fronts, 38K rears, and 3 axle disc brakes and collision mitigation. You've got a 230-inch wheelbase and a 2.79 rear ratio. Your tires 22.5 low pros with all aluminum wheels polished for you. You've got dual 120-gallon fuel tanks. Under the hood, a PACCAR MX-13 with a PACCAR 12-speed automated transmission. Inside, a beautiful interior. Your sleeper has lots of room. You've got dual sleeper doors and windows and an Espar heater. Your dash, it shines. If you want this truck, a 2019 Kenworth T680, call MHC Denver at 888-592-4070.